Hello everybody, this is Apoorv this side, and today we will discuss about the Alt F12 key. F12 key actually takes in a lot of effort and time and effort. So basically, for every report in Tally, daybook, balance sheet, and receivables, there are the 6 steps manually. Again, I just go through it. I'm going back here again, D plus D plus D, and within the D, you press the F12, and then here you have to press minimum 4 to 5 shortcut keys. Similarly, within the trial balance, you go to D plus T, and then you again go down to F12, and then you say yes, yes, yes. So minimum 6 shortcut keys, and same is the case with the D plus S plus O plus R shortcut key. Then again a D, S, O, R, and again you have to go down to the F12, which is a different. So we basically simplify all of them using our Power BI, Alt F3, Alt F2, and we put it onto a single table here. A lot of companies have actually used that in the receivable and payable purchase statement, the sales statement, the balance sheet. You won't have to you won't have to go through all the key steps. It will come into one single table in one single click. And looking at the scope actually of the savings, there are 6 steps, 50 companies, 20 days, 6,000 key presses are saved. So we have actually had the client save over 6,000 key presses a month just on the F12 settings. In case you want to get in touch with us, this is this thing attached is the WhatsApp link. Thank you very much for your time. We look forward to servicing your requirements. Thank you.